Today, we're unlocking the full potential of your Canon EOS 2000d by connecting it seamlessly to your PC, transforming your workflow and enhancing your creative possibilities. First, you'll need a good quality USB cable, typically a mini USB to USB. Plug the smaller end into your camera and the standard USB end into an available port on your computer. Next, navigate to Canon's official support website. Search for your EOS 2000d model and locate the drivers and software section. Download the latest EOS Utility software, which is crucial for advanced functionality. Once downloaded, run the installer, follow the on-screen prompts, accepting the terms and conditions. The installation process is straightforward, much like any other software. After installation, open EOS Utility. When connected, your camera should be automatically detected. You'll then see options for remote shooting, live view, and easy image transfer directly to your computer. For webcam functionality, ensure EOS Utility is running, then select your camera as the video source in your preferred video conferencing software, like Zoom or Skype. To transfer files, simply select Download Images to Computer within EOS Utility. You can choose to download all images or specific ones, organizing them directly from your desktop. With these steps, your Canon EOS 2000d is now a powerful extension of your PC, ready for seamless file transfers, high-quality webcam use, or professional tethered shooting.